Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me again. This video is about fix and flip loans. And so fix and flip loans are just that, mortgages that you would get for a house that you just plan on purchasing to fix up and then flip to earn a profit. So that's a very common thing that a lot of real estate investors like to do. But the thing is, it's hard for them to find a mortgage sometimes. They want to be able to get in, purchase the house, put some repair dollars in, and then be able to sell it pretty quickly and get out. So there are a lot of different mortgage options available to you. It's typically private money, hard money. Some lenders will say that you need 25% down and they won't finance any of the repairs. And there are other lenders that will finance the repairs with a smaller down payment, and they'll use the ARV, which is the after repair value. They'll get a not a full appraisal, but essentially like a market analysis from a realtor to find out what the home would be worth after you make the indicated repairs on that home, and they'll lend to you based on that. So basically you'll have a small down payment, they'll finance the repairs, and then you'll make those repairs. They will disperse the funds to your contractor during that time, and then you market the house for sale, sell it, and you're out. So that's the way it would work. Typically these loans are about 1 year, sometimes 2 years. You're going to pay a few points. The rates will be anywhere from 8 to 11%. If you are a seasoned investor, you might get a better deal. If you put more money down, you'll get a better deal. So there's that. If you want to put very little down, expect to pay a little bit more in interest. But the thing is you're only going to hold the home for a few months, 6 months, even if it's a year. The interest rate isn't nearly as important as your costs to actually get in and out and do the repairs. So these mortgage programs are available to you. I will not quote rates right now because as I record this, we're talking about 2020. Things change rapidly. The down payment options, the percentages, their interest rates, the points that you might have to pay the lender, those things will vary depending on your situation, and lenders change their guidelines constantly. So if you would like to be able to get some kind of a quote on a fix and flip loan, just hit the request quote button, purchase quote button on the website, mention something in the comments below. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube, we'll be able to get you set up with one of the lenders who can help you with your project. Thanks for watching, and if this is your first time, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and come back next time. Thanks.